Hey, what is up, everyone? So we have booked a loss of about 36,466 rupees. So these are the orders that we have taken. So today I have sticked on to my stop loss because I knew if market reverses, then we are going to be in a big trouble. So that's why I have booked a loss of about 36,000, and my projected profit was around 40 to 50,000. So bearing a loss of about 36,000 is not at all a problem. And also, tomorrow we have one more trading day. Probably I won't be trading because I'll be on my vacation from today morning till Sunday, so I won't be uploading any videos as well, so I'm very sorry about that. Probably I'll try to put a video on how much money we have made from Banknifty options buying in this month of June 2023. So that is probably gonna come on Friday in the evening is what I believe. Okay, so in this video we'll have a clear idea on why I have gotten out of the trade, because generally I try to average my position and I try to get out in a very nominal loss, and in this case I have booked a loss because I was sure about the movement towards the upside, which you have seen by now. So okay, jump right into the video to understand how price action works and also how I manage my risk reward ratio. So yes, jump into the video, and thanks.
Good morning. This is 27th June 2023, and as you can see here, Bank Nifty has opened at 43,804 in pre-market and started falling down and touched 43,720, which has acted as a consolidation zone in the previous days. And also the gap that has been made today has not been filled yet, so we'll have to be very careful, because in the initial half an hour itself there are high chances that this gap can be filled. So now the condition is, when the first two candles are not breaking the day's low, then it tends to move towards the upside to the day's high, and if that is broken, then to a higher high is what we have seen in the previous days. So if that is happening, then we'll probably see a movement like this, or else once the consolidation happens, or once if this is moving like this, it will make a range shift, or it will go down and make a range shift and move. So once Bank Nifty reaches this level is where we can go for a trade, or else once it goes to a higher high, we can go for a PE there, and the strike is 43,500 PE of 6th July. Now that we can see a push towards the downside, it is not confirmed if the day's low is broken. So there are times where day's low is slightly broken and it reverses, but looking at RSI is still above 70. Okay, so it is at 68, which means there are chances that this can fall. So we will see if Bank Nifty breaks below this level, and if it is taking a reversal towards the upside slowly, then we will get some erosion in the premium, and that's when we will enter into the trade. So this is the strike that we have in mind right now. Let's see what is going to happen. So if this candle is not covering 769, that's when we can go for a buy, as the day's low is broken by almost 1 point, I guess, not even 1 point, just a few decimal points. So yeah, let's just wait for the confirmation, and then we'll enter into the trade, is what I believe is the best option, because there are chances that this can go this way also. With the premium, we have gotten this at a lower premium, so I'm just wondering if we should buy or not. Just wait for some time and we'll decide on that. Right, let's go for a buy at this point. We'll go for 500 quantities. Oh, we can only go for 43,600. Okay, we'll go for 43,600. Okay, we'll go for 43,600, but I don't think that is advisable at the moment, because it is struggling to break below, but I still feel we can go for a buy. We'll go for 500 quantities because I'm not very sure about the movement. We'll just see. It has to sustain, that's the problem. If it's not sustained exactly as I said, okay, cool, we'll go for a buy. 500 quantities, and this is how our position looks like. Today we'll stick to very nominal target and we'll book our profits accordingly. So that's what I'm planning. Also looking at open interest, we can see that 43,800 had more put away build up, and now a call has taken over, but it's not a sure shot move. So let's see what is going to happen in this case. Yeah, this is moving down, but I feel the premium needs more pressure because it is going on negative. So we'll have to be careful with the positions that we have, and then we'll see what is going to happen. I think this is going for the gap filling. The initial pressure, this candle when it came down, the premium spiked, and I've taken the call from, I've taken the position from that spike, and that's why this is the push is not coming, so that we are not getting into a break even. So yeah, let's see. So I'm thinking of averaging this with another 300 quantities. So we have the first order at 258 and the second one at 246.61. So yeah, let's see. So what we can see here is Banknifty is struggling to move below 43,700 as the put and call is also playing at this range. So we'll have to be careful with the trade here, and probably we'll book a very nominal profit today and get out of our trade is what I believe is going to happen. If this range is broken, if day's low is broken, then we'll see Bank Nifty covering the gap till 43,654. But Bank Nifty needs more pressure in order to move down is what I think. So I'm going to go average this with another 500 quantities. Here. Yes. So the averaging is at 258, 246 and 233.3. So yeah, let's see where market is going. Like, we'll put our stop loss around 25 to 30k. Looking at OI, 43 P is holding at 43,700. We'll just wait for some time and see what is going to happen. Yes, so now what we can see here in Bank Nifty is a dip from 43,800. So if the level of 43,784 is broken and sustained, it will move down, and the best area of support that we have to consider should be 43,760. If that is broken and sustained, then we will see Bank Nifty touching day's low. So this is what we are planning. Probably I'll get out in a loss of about 35 to 40k or 35 to 37k. That's what I'm planning for now. So let's see what is going to happen, because I'm okay to take that stop loss as well, because when you aim for a 40 or 50k profit, you obviously have to aim for at least 1:1 stop loss also. So this is what our PNL looks like. And also looking at the OI, in the last 30 minutes, it is only puts that has been built up in 43,800, which means it is going to be bullish. But let's see if there is any possibility that this can come down. So let's just wait for some more time. And also 43,795 is an important level that we had. It has been respected in the previous days, so we'll have to be very careful before executing any of the trades, because if Bank Nifty is sustaining below 43,795, then there are high hopes that this can go down. Okay, so we can see that market is trying to shoot up above 43,800. So it's better we get out of our positions in market. We will get out. So we have got rid of 900 quantities and we are selling our another 400 quantities. So now the orders looks like this. We had an average of about 246, and we have booked, or we have gotten out of our position at 218.50 or 218. It has gone up to 2220 again, but I am not staying in this trade because it's a very tight market day, and also I am expecting a sudden hike in Bank Nifty, and I don't want to go through such a big loss. And 36,000 is a nominal loss which I am able to bear, so it's not at all a problem. So we have booked 36,000 lows today, which is okay. And I'd like to say that we are not semi-registered analysts. All the videos in this channel are for educational purposes. And also, thanks for watching the video. Bye.